Get ready for a wild adventure, little explorers. Safari Fun takes you deep into the African jungle and savanna, where you'll meet all kinds of creepy, crawly, hairy, and even a little scary animals. From giggly hyenas that laugh in the night to giant eight-legged spiders that scuttle through the trees, this book is packed with fun facts, silly sounds, and colorful pictures to keep toddlers entertained and maybe just a tiny bit spooked. What's inside? Big and small creatures. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan. Black bears are found across North America, from Canada and Alaska to Mexico, and from the Atlantic to the Pacific coasts. Black bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a dog's, and they rely on it to locate food. Black bears are omnivorous, with a diet that includes berries, nuts, insects, fish, Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms. Hyenas are highly vocal animals. Their famous laugh is actually a form of communication used to signal excitement, stress, or submission. Hyenas are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and even mountains. Hyenas are highly intelligent. African buffaloes are large, with males weighing up to 1,900 pounds, 860 kilograms, and standing up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters tall at the shoulder. They have large, curved horns that form a continuous bone shield over the top of their head. Asian water buffaloes are slightly larger. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds, 150 to 295 kilograms. Bears vary greatly in size. The smallest is the sun bear, weighing around 60 to 150 pounds, 27 to 68 kilograms. while the largest is the polar bear, which can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Bears are found in a wide range of habitats. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. They often mate for life and are very protective of their partners and offspring. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Their lower jaws are not fused, enabling them to stretch widely. Snakes move in various ways. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups. Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws, which detect changes in water pressure and help them locate prey. Alligators have been featured in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. Crocodiles communicate through vocalizations like grunts, hisses, and bellows. They also use body language, such as slapping their heads or tails on the water's surface. Crocodiles have an incredibly strong immune system that allows them to survive in harsh environments and heal quickly from injuries. Scientists study their blood for potential medical applications. Crocodiles can live for 700 years in the wild. Dolphins are considered one of the smartest animals on Earth, with large, complex brains. They exhibit advanced problem-solving skills, self-awareness, and the ability to learn complex tasks. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness shared by only a few species, including humans and great apes. Dolphins are highly social and live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to hundreds. Dolphins use echolocation to navigate and hunt. They produce high-frequency clicks that bounce off objects, helping them determine the object's size, shape, and distance. From giggly hyenas that laugh in the night to giant eight-legged spiders that scuttle through the trees, this book is packed with fun facts, silly sounds, and colorful pictures to keep toddlers entertained and maybe just a tiny bit spooked. What's inside? Big and small creatures, lions, snakes, chameleons, and more. Fun animal sounds, roar, hiss, and chitter like the wild animals do.